Welcome to this video on why you should learn the C programming language first. C is considered one of the most fundamental programming languages and is often used as the starting point for many aspiring programmers. This is because it is a relatively simple language that provides a solid foundation for understanding more complex programming concepts. One of the main reasons why C is a great language to start with is that it is a low-level programming language. This means that it is closer to the machine and provides more direct access to memory and system resources. This allows you to gain a deeper understanding of how computers work and how to optimize your code for performance. Another reason why C is a great starting point is that it is a widely used language. It is the foundation for many other languages such as C++, Java, and Python, and is still widely used in systems programming and embedded systems. This means that there are plenty of resources and tutorials available to help you learn the language, and the skill you gain will be transferable to other languages. C is also a versatile language that can be used for a wide range of applications, from operating systems and device drivers to embedded systems and game development. C is a powerful language that can be used for almost any kind of programming project. This versatility is especially important for someone starting out in programming, as it allows you to explore different areas and find your niche. Additionally, C is a procedural language, and that means it follows a logical order of execution of instructions. This will help you gain a solid understanding of the basic concepts of programming and how to structure your code. Learning C also has the advantage of being able to practice and develop important problem-solving skills, debugging skills, and testing skills. This will give you an edge when you move on to other languages. Overall, learning the C programming language is an excellent choice for anyone looking to start their programming journey. It provides a solid foundation for understanding more complex concepts, is widely used and versatile, and can be used for a range of applications. So if you're ready to start your programming journey, C is the perfect place to begin. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel to stay updated on new programming tutorials and tips. And speaking of tutorials, stay tuned because we will be releasing a series of C programming tutorials to help you master the language. These tutorials will cover everything from the basics of C programming to more advanced topics such as memory management and optimization. So whether you're just starting out or looking to brush up your skills, be sure to check out our C programming tutorials. And remember, with a solid foundation in C, you'll be well on your way to becoming a proficient programmer in any language. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or feedback.